All right, we got our second box of the 2021 Donruss. Our last box was pretty nice. We got like 4 numbered cards and a signed card. Not too shabby. It's packaged well too, the way they package these. My only complaint with this year Donruss is it doesn't have any optic cards in it like the newer Donruss stuff does, so that's a little bit of a downside with it. That's what I like about that 2026 is it has some of the optic in it and the thicker, nicer cards, kind of like the Prism and the top chrome stuff. So yeah, this stuff's pretty cheap, man. Like 25 to 35 bucks for a mega box, and pretty much always get a signed card or at least a couple relics. I know sometimes I get those little coupons for the Panini points. I got a bunch of points, but they never really seen anything worth getting unless you got like 1,000,000 points. So that's kind of a rip-off to me. I wish Panini would have a little better selection of stuff that you can choose with the points. But it is what it is. At least they give you something. So, see what we got here. Brad Hand, Kyle Lewis, Christian Yelich, George Brett, another Ken Griffey Jr. We got a bunch of Ken Griffey Jr.'s in the last box too. Dallas Keuchel, Dominator, Nolan Arenado, another 1,406 career steals. That's my second one of these. Justin Turner, Denelson Lamet, Troy Glaus. I don't remember him. Sandy Alcantara. Cool little design for the stat sheet to Liberty. Mark McGuire, pink. Casey Mize, pink. Yeah, buddy. Where do I put you? Where do I put you, buddy? I guess you'll go there. Ronald Acuna Jr., Diamond King. Brady Singer, rated rookie. J.P. Crawford. Kyle Tucker. Chris Paddock. Babe Ruth. Wilmer Flores. Mackenzie Gore, rated prospect. That's a good one there. I don't know. I'll put you with a rated rookie too. Another Alec Boehm, rated rookie. Gigante. Zach Gallen. Juan Soto. Jim Thome. Breaking it to the dome. Johnny Cueto. Stars card. Randy Arozarena. See. Dominators with Lourdes Gurriel. Javier Baez. Big Sexy Bartolo Colon. Yeah, he was a beast. That's a bad man with JAMA. Cole Calhoun. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Ryan Sandberg, numbered cards, Patrick Corbin, 1589 of 2021. Nice. Michael Conforto, a trending of Andre Munoz. That's a good trending card there. I guess we'll go there. And Joey Gallo, Diamond King. And another Joe Adell, rated rookie. At least we get some duplicates of a good rookie. So, Maybe I'll get four numbered cards and the signed card in this box too. That'd be nice. That's another thing too with the Donruss is you get a good bit of cards. A good bit of cards, man. I don't mind that they don't have the licensing. It doesn't really matter to me if I see a logo or not. I think it's junk that, you know, when growing up, everybody had a license. You know, even the really low-end cards had licenses. Now, it's almost like a monopoly with Topps. Fanatics having everything, which is kind of dumb in my mind, but... And then the top stuff just sky-high price, and you don't really get many good cards, and I'll take some better cards with no license. Yes, sir, may I have another? Matt Olson, he just made another record for the longest consecutive games with the Braves last week. Shohei Ohtani finally got us a Shohei card. Frank Thomas. I used to love Frank Thomas. Hey, there we go. Mickey Moniak signed card. Sweet. And Keith Hernandez, Pinky. Trending Julio Arias. That's a good card there. Trending Fernando Tatis Jr., Diamond King, Jake Cronenworth. That's a good rated rookie. Haven't seen that one yet. Marcell Ozuna, Max Fried, Jason Giambi. Another numbered card, 609 of 2021, Dylan Bundy. Some good numbered cards there. Jim Thome, the Thome to the Dome. Dominator with Corey Seager, the Beaver Cleaver. Aaron Judge, he looked so young back then in 2021. Look at him throwing that baseball. Aaron Judge. Another Babe Ruth. Trevor Story. Josh Hader, don't be a hater. Jermaine Marquez. Oral Hershiser. Don't see many of his cards. He was a good one too. Juan Soto. Juan Soto Elite Series. Ooh la la, Elite. Another Pico de Gallo. Nolan Arenado Diamond Kings. Eloy Jimenez. Jose Abreu. Max Scherzer. Vladimir Guerrero. The Papa Guerrero. Corey Seager. Another Jose Abreu highlight card. Sweet card. Where I'm going to put you. Brandon Lowe, Diamond King. Sixto Sanchez again with the rated rookie. Carlos Carrasco. Another Aaron Judge. Just a different pose. Andy Petiti. Dansby Swanson. That's nice. And we got us a backwards card. Is it numbered? Nah. Joey Gallo, Pinky. And live stream with Mookie Betts. It's a cool card. Bobby Delbeck, rated rookie. Jacob deGrom, Lucas Giolito, Yordan Alvarez, Bartolo Colon again. They don't have the big sexy on this one. I guess we got 2 cards. And then 45 of 50, that's nice. Kyle Hendricks, that's the lowest one we've seen out of these. Of 50, another Bartolo Colon, Pinky. Unleashed with Mike Trout. Sweet, I think that's our second Unleashed with Trout. Carlos Correa, Diamond King, and Dalton Varsho, rated rookie. So we got 3 more packs here. Quite a few numbered cards. If I don't say so myself. I wonder if that Bartolo Cologne one that says Big Sexy on it. Like a short print or something. Same picture it looked like. Have to look into that. So last 3 packs here. So let's see what we got going. Austin Meadows, Carlos Correa, Pete Alonso, Marky McGuire. Let's see, Bo Bichette. That's a nice pink card. Hadn't had any of him on either of these boxes. Dylan Carlson, the rookies, pink card. Mike Yastrzemski, Diamond King. Ian Anderson, rated rookie. That's a decent one there. We'll take any Brave. Adam Wainwright. Patrick Corbin. Jose Altuve. Lance Berkman. Yordan Alvarez, Pinky. Christian Robinson, rated prospect, Pinky. Braylon Marquez, rated rookie. Shane Bieber. Kevin Biggio. Tim Anderson. Ichiro, yeah, buddy. And then Rod Carew numbered card. 1672, 2021. That's nice. Another numbered card. Mike Yastrzemski, pink. Elite Series with Garrett Cole. And we got us a La Pantera. And a Mike Trout. Case hit. So that's pretty good, man. That's these are the only junk cards I got out of 2 boxes. So look at all these numbered cards. Numbered galore. The Bomb Squad. I don't know if that came out of the... Yeah, that was the 2026 boxes I opened, but these are all the numbered cards. Rod Carew, Kyle Hendricks, Dylan Bundy, Patrick Corbin, Pedro Martinez. Ronald Acuna, of course, the best one I drop and hit the end of it like a dummy. Anthony Santander. Oh, that's 1 of 50. 1 of 50 is a good one. 45 of 50. Yeah, buddy. Cool. Got those, and then these were the 2 signature ones I got from the boxes. Estevan Florio and Mickey Moniak. Signed. Very nice. Thanks for watching Big and Breaks. We're gonna... Next, we'll probably open up this old 36 count Donruss. Oldie but goodie. 1990. Old Leaf Donruss. Back before Panini bought 'em. Thanks for watching Big and Breaks. Like and subscribe for more ripping and tearing.